word yet on what led to a road rage shooting in Antioch. One person was hurt and taken to Vanderbilt University Medical Center. Metro Nashville police say this happened Saturday as well on Murfreesboro Pike. Now, 2 cars were involved in this situation. A car turned left from Summercrest Boulevard, we're told, onto Murfreesboro Pike and then fired shots at a Chevy Camaro. Police say the driver was shot, lost control, then crashed. Police say that other bullets hit the windshield of that Camaro and the passenger side of another car.
I know I'm supposed to go straight. However, I want to make an illegal left-hand turn and cut off this black car. Very bad. This happens a lot in this area. They feel like the car in front of them is going so slow. Then they cut in front of them real close and make them put on brakes. I see you creeping, white SUV. You're in the wrong lane. You're supposed to make a right. Yet you make an illegal turn because the light is still red on the other side. Then y'all notice it says no turn on red. Is this one going to do it since the light is still red? No, they just decide to go straight through a red light. I'll just cut you off and you put on your brakes. I'll just cut across until I make my exit. I see this almost every time. People cut across traffic coming to make that exit. Tailgating is aggressive driving, and it's still road rage, even at night. I see the light is still red. I can't wait. I'm impatient. No one saw me. I was on the phone. Oh, there's my exit. I'll just cut across a couple solid lines. Sure, I'm going real fast. I'm in a rush. The car in front of me has put on its brake lights. I'm going to put on mine also. Sure, I'm tailgating. Going faster than I should be. There are always people tailgating.